I think there has to be management focus on the integration, and there has to be a plan. And that integration planning needs to start at the latest during due diligence. You learn a lot in due diligence about the company and what the impacts might be to the integration. And you got to build in those integration costs as part of the deal. I've been with a lot of companies that seem to think that integration costs would just be absorbed by the departments that are going to be working on it, and that's pretty unfair to them. And then it's hard for them to find the resources because they don't have any extra money to get the right resources working on it. And so I think you have to have that integration budget, which also helps you manage the plan. And then obviously having milestones and quantifiable goals and deliverables, and then actually tracking them. One of the things that I've used a lot with smaller acquisitions are retention bonuses. So they're not exactly tied to the integration, but what happens a lot with smaller companies is the people you really need to retain are the ones that can find new jobs the easiest. So they're the ones that take off, and the people that may not be the top are often the ones that stay. So we've utilized retention bonuses that are simply just stick around for 6 months, and at the end of the 6 months, you'll get this bonus to kind of give them time to learn about the new organization and not just leave because they've been acquired.